So nature of the halogen atom in the alkyl halides. So it is here what it is happening. Nature of depends upon the nature of halogen atom also. Alkyl halides factors affecting. Here the halogen atom ultimately leaves the transition state in the form of halide ions with negative charge. Okay, so the more easily the halide ion X minus leaves, the more is the rate of reaction. Okay, um, rate of reaction it is more, the halide ions that is leaves the group. Nature of leaving group has very little effect on the mechanism, but it is profound effect on the rate of reaction. So here you see the equations. In the transition state for SN2 reaction, the negative charge is normally distributed over the nucleophile and the leaving group. Okay, negative charge both transition state Nu, that is nucleophile, X is the halide leaving group. Negative charge are there. The better the leaving group, more stable is the transition state. Okay, which one it is that is the more stable due to their greater stabilization of the negative charge. X is the greater stabilization of the negative charge that is leaving by the leaving group. Then it is and more rapid in its rapid is the reaction. So nucleophile alkyl halide. Okay, so transition state, the leaving group it is the highly, both are negative. The leaving group it will be a high stabilization. So here the stability of an anion is inversely proportional to its basicity. Stability of anion, it is inversely proportional to the basicity. So therefore the best leaving group or weakest base. Okay, the leaving group it will be a weak base. So the order of here you see the order of increasing the basic strength of halide ions. You see increasing order of basic strength of halide ions, that is iodo less than bromo less than chloro less than that is. Okay, first it is the basic strength, it is the this is the order. Okay, uh, order of elimination of leaving group next. Therefore the order of case of elimination of leaving groups would be iodine greater, bromine greater than chlorine, greater than fluorine. Okay, next, hence the order of reactivity of alkyl halides having same alkyl group but different halogens. Okay, order of reactivity of alkyl halides having the same alkyl group but different halogens. You see that order of reactivity, same alkyl group but different halides. For that order of reactivity it is alkyl iodide more than that alkyl bromide, more than that alkyl chloride, more than that alkyl fluoride. Okay, so this is the next, nature of solvent. Nature of solvent, the nature of solvent plays an important dominant role in deciding the mechanism of mechanisms and rate of substituent reaction. That is usually ions are stabilized by solvation highly polar solvents. So therefore the substitution reactions producing ions from neutral reactants increased or accelerated, neutral reaction accelerated by highly polar aprotic solvents. Highly polar substitution reaction increased by the highly polar aprotic solvents, that is example dimethyl formamide DMF and dimethyl sulfoxide, that is DMSO. Okay, so in SN2 reaction that is common. Okay, in SN2 reaction most common case is reaction of anion with a neutral molecule. The transition state for such reactions is less polar than the reactants. Okay, so since the negative charge is disposed in the transition state because of the less polar than the reactants, that transition state, that reaction. So hence high polar solvents slows down the reaction because it stabilizes the polar reactant more than the less polar transition state. So the highly polar solvent slows down the reaction because it stabilizes the polar reactant more than the less polar transition state. Okay, so thank you students. See you the next class.